Hello, my name is Dr. Branimir Schubert. I am Director of Mission Integration here at Sydney Adventist Hospital. So, what makes this hospital different? What makes us unique? Let's explore. In short, it is our mission. Our mission is Christianity in action. Right from the beginning, we were inspired and motivated by the compassionate healing ministry of Jesus Christ. He demonstrated care for the body, mind, and spirit. And today, we are committed to continue this legacy.
Inspired by Christian faith to demonstrate and share Christ's mission of health and healing, the Adventist Church opened a small healthcare facility for the community in 1903. It was known as Sydney Sanitarium, a place where people came to learn to stay well. Many years after its name change to Sydney Adventist Hospital in 1973, it is still affectionately known as the SAN. Today, Sydney Adventist Hospital is the largest private, not-for-profit hospital in New South Wales and the Australian flagship of more than 600 worldwide hospitals, aged care and healthcare facilities operated by the Adventist Church. The hospital's reputation for exceptional care is built on the continuous provision of leading medical and surgical care, underpinned by the expertise, commitment and compassion of our people and our faith-based approach for caring for the whole person, body, mind and spirit. Sydney Adventist Hospital has been caring for the healthcare needs of the community since first opening in 1903 as Sydney Sanitarium, a small 70-bed facility located in the leafy and at that time rural area of Wahroonga. The first patient was 57-year-old Lewis Butler, a village storekeeper near Wahroonga railway station who was successfully treated following an emergency admission.
Ellen G. White co-founded the Seventh-day Adventist Church in the 1800s and has been named among the 100 most significant Americans of all time for her extensive writings and teachings influencing the establishment of many healthcare and educational facilities. Healthy living was an important concept in Ellen G. White's writings and inspired her involvement in planning for the SAN. Following in the now famous cereal-producing family's tradition, Dr. Merritt Kellogg, both a medic and carpenter, first began sharing the notion of healthful living in the South Pacific Islands during the 1890s. As architect and building superintendent, Dr. Kellogg was responsible for drawing the plans and supervising the construction of the original Sydney Sanitarium timber building. Doctors Daniel and Loretta Kress were the first medical physicians at the SAN when it opened in 1903, and played an important role in developing the SAN's distinctive ethos of caring for the community. Dr. Loretta Kress delivered the first SAN baby in January 1903. The SAN was always intended to be more than a hospital. As a home of health, the SAN recognised from its inception the need to treat people in a holistic manner, with care that included health education, spiritual nurture, nutritious food, exercise, pure water and air, and rest. The hospital's orchards ensured patients always had fresh fruit in season and preserved fruit throughout the year, while the on-site dairy inspired letters of appreciation from patients for the fresh milk and cream. Surgery in the 1920s was available but required by only a small group of patients. An on-site gymnasium and hydrotherapy pool provided modern and much admired exercise programs encouraging good health.
Integrity is one of our 4 core values. We believe in applying sound moral and ethical principles to make the best decisions for the best outcomes. Our Our vision is to be a thriving faith-based provider of world-class care, inspiring hope and well-being.
As an institution of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, the SAN's purpose and philosophies were based on the Church's mission to serve the community with a distinctive health and healing ministry, founded on faith in God and the bringing of relief and hope through the cooperation of human effort and divine power. Then he called his 12 disciples together, and he sent them to preach the kingdom of God and to heal the sick. While many things have changed over the years, our mission of Christianity in action endures. Our mission and values inspire the purpose, passion, and dedication that drive our staff and doctors to pursue excellence, and enables us to touch people's lives with compassion and expertise at a time when they need it most.
The SAN's great history of training healthcare workers for the future started with the graduation of the first nurses in September 1903 and continues today. We have an enduring relationship with Avondale. With support from the Commonwealth and state governments, the Sydney Adventist Hospital Clinical Education Centre opened in 2013, providing a multidisciplinary training environment for medical, nursing and allied health students to study together. We regularly provide accredited further education and professional development courses for our own nurses, community nurses and general practitioners to keep them up to date, and we also offer regular free health seminars for our community. The Australasian Research Institute incorporating the Lifestyle Medicine and Research Centre is located on site. This academic facility leads and participates in a wide range of studies to advance the understanding of lifestyle factors on chronic illness. Working hand in hand with the SAN Integrated Cancer Centre is the SAN Clinicals Trials Unit. This collaborative team offers participation in multi-centre, national and international cutting-edge clinical trials.
A focus on wellness is in our DNA. Seventh-day Adventists believe we have a responsibility to care for our bodies, treating them with respect. Adventists advocate a well-balanced vegetarian diet with a wide variety of whole plant foods including fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds and grains. Adventists believe in abstinence from alcohol, tobacco and harmful drugs, and the need to maintain a balance in work, leisure, rest, exercise and diet. In our hospital, we offer a range of meals for our patients, with a focus on vegetarian meals, all carefully prepared in our own kitchen. You may notice that most of our cafes on site offer predominantly vegetarian food, with fresh, healthy and sustainable choices for our staff and visitors.
Excellence is a core value. We act to ensure quality, safety and accountability, enabling every individual to reach their maximum potential. We actively promote good health and highlight healthy living to our local community through free public seminars, support and exercise groups. Sydney Adventist Hospital continues to be actively involved with various community groups, and our people are engaged in a range of local activities. We are proud to host various community events, including the annual SAN Carols, inviting everyone to celebrate the joy of Christmas. Open Heart International is a humanitarian aid program initiated by Sydney Adventist Hospital in 1986 with volunteer medical teams visiting developing countries to provide medical services and life-transforming surgery, and to train the local medical and nursing staff to become self-sufficient. This program enables many of our staff and clinicians to share their skills and expertise to people who may otherwise have little or no access to this type of care.
We are in the privileged position of being able to minister to the community on a daily basis through healing of the sick and promoting the well-being of the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. In line with our Adventist foundations and our mission, we believe in the balance of work, leisure, exercise, diet, and rest. We embrace the healing power of nature and have made efforts to ensure our facilities enable an appreciation of our surrounding leafy and open environment. We observe Sabbath as a day of rest, rejuvenation, reflection, and rejoicing.
Sydney Adventist Hospital is proud to have many hundreds of passionate and dedicated community members who regularly volunteer their time to support the hospital in caring for our community. Many of these volunteers have experienced care at the hospital and wish to give back through volunteering their time. The SAN team are immensely grateful for the tremendous contributions of these caring people. Continuity is one of our core values. We strive to care for the whole person, mind, body and spirit, providing continuity of care, connecting systems and resources to enable ongoing and comprehensive care.
As a non-profit organisation, we reinvest all surplus income back into our facilities and services to ensure we are providing the best possible care for our community. Since 1903, we have been continually innovating, leading in healthcare with state-of-the-art technology, maternity care, groundbreaking heart services, private emergency care services, integrated cancer services, robotic surgery, and training healthcare workers for the future. But most importantly, over all these years, what we've really been known for is our innovation in providing remarkable care.
Dignity is one of our core values. We treat everyone with respect and compassion, recognizing their worth, their individuality, and their needs.
Christianity in action, taking care of the body, mind, and spirit of our patients, of our colleagues, of our community, and of ourselves. This is our mission, and it's more than words. Those words provide meaning to everything we do. And so we conclude our mission journey in this amazing healing garden. This is the place that symbolizes our collective passion to inspire hope and well-being.